Parnes.
And we are the kindergarten team here at Nathan Hale Arts Magnet School.
We're so excited about our incoming kindergartners every year. We look forward to their entering. After all, this is where the beginning starts. Their educational foundation begins with us, and we set the pace for our kids and their success.
Follow me into one of our lovely classrooms here. We start our day off with breakfast at the table, and then once we are finished, we come on to the rug for our morning meeting, and here we learn a lot of things. For example, we learn about the calendar, we learn about the days of the week, and the months of the year. Also, our numbers are also up here for you to learn.
In Reader's Workshop, students are able to select their own books based on their level and their interests and read them independently. We also do centers where students are engaged in word work activities and learning about letters and letter sounds.
So in our curriculum, we also teach math, and children coming in, we are practicing numbers 1 through 30, saying them out loud, and also being able to reorder them out of order and putting them back into order. We work on the shapes, we work on counting from 1 to 100. We also are doing addition and subtraction with the 10 frames.
In the afternoons, the kindergartners go to essentials. We have 2 essentials every day. We go to things like music, technology, theater, and dance. After that, right at the end of the day, we have science or social studies, and sometimes, if we're lucky, we even have choice time, which is the kids' favorite.